What's up, everybody, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to get to the old update. So first, you search up YouTube, how to get mods in. Oh wait, how to get bro. Wait, delete everything. How to get mods in Animal Company. And when you're done with that, you go to this guy right here. Then open it on YouTube where it's not gonna work. What is gonna work? Then you press play in the video, pause it,
What's up, everyone? AllDragon here, back
then
in
go
another
to the
video.
description.
Today, I want to show you guys how to get some trusty dusty mods right here for Animal Company, because I'm pretty poor right now, and I'm looking to get some money. So let me show you guys, and let's get right.
Then you press the bottom old AC modded. And AC modded. Then one of these OG AC mod menu, APK. Blah blah blah. Then you search up Zark. Right there. ZARCHIVER. Then you go to the second one that says APK prayer. That was not me, just. Then you press download APK. When you do that, you scroll down until it says download APK 4.9 MB. Then press it. After you're done pressing that, wait until that's done. Then when it's done, go to mobile VR station and press local files, all folders, Android, data. Scroll all the way down until you see scoped storage actions. Then press request access. Then after that, you go to whatever request you're I'm at Questy, then press download. Then you scroll all the way down. Then you should see this. Then press the big arrows thing. Press continue, install. Then open. Then press OK. Allow access. Then go here. Access is denied. Then go to settings. Go to root. Press this to says Shiruki SUI to get back. Yeah, then you go to download. Then you should see old AC modded and press that. Then press install. As it install. Then when you install it and go to settings, then press allow from storage and press update. And done. Oh wait, I'm sorry guys. You have to delete Animal Company first. Then press install for the mod menu. Install. Wait, the Animal Company. Open Animal Company to continue. Go here. Go back in Animal Company. Press quit X. Then just wait. I don't think it worked. It didn't work. Okay, so yeah, you have to remove it again. Install only. Okay, then go to Zark VR. Then press old AC mod menu again. Press install. Press install. Update. Move this over here. Then you wait. Put that there. Go back here. There's OC install too. So you should do these three things. Just wait. Then press install for this one. Just keep that waiting like that. Then just wait. Then just wait. Then press open. Then just wait. Then you should be in the old update. Then press allow. You will be in a public lobby with other people because they're just alpha like me. Value. Join a code. Enter. So nothing of that happens. Then go back here. Then it should wait until Animal Company. This should work. And if it doesn't work, it's okay. Then you have the old gadgets, the old player model, even the OG iPad. That's in the game. Yeah, and buy everything. I'm just Sigma like that I have infinite shotgun. Okay, bye.